Migori.
Weche motenore kod kaonti Migori, jagoro maduong' e riwruok ma jochiw thieth Nases Seth Panyakose opinyo wache kaonti no kotele kod gavana Chila yako kuom tiyo kod mungu kuom jonjore bogo Nases mosebedo kadhiro mondo chop kare winjruok margi mariga maga ndego 17 kindeni ma jochiw thieth e kaonti za 10 dhi nyime gi ng'anyo. Kakamega rifaro len kachiel moke kaunti ma Kakamega Panyako wach ni jochiw thieth go e kaunti ma Migori biro dok e tich kosemigi barupe mabedo gi lemo kendo med gi osara e kind ng'ur mamoko. Bende kwa pinyo wach ma counties mondo kop county ma Makueni, Kakamega, Kitui kod Marsabit ka gisebedo ka gichwalo chenro magi kod twak gi Nases mondo mi gichop kare ma kuom dwachgi.
Kakamega County, we agreed with we issued a strike notice that was to start on 8th of August this month. But then the government engaged us, the county government of Kakamega engaged us as early as possible so that we didn't now go on strike because we discussed most of the issues that we had raised and agreed on how they will be implemented.
We issued a strike notice demanding that we wanted our 2017 return to work formula to be implemented by all county governments and state corporations. And I want to thank those county governments that are not seeing what other counties are doing. I want to thank Kisumu. Professor Nyang' Nyong' intervened himself and they had an agreement and the strike ended. So this is the way to go. But I want to tell Migori County government that they will not resolve workers' issue by involving goons, where they hired goons to go and hijack my branch officials when they're issuing a press statement, lock them in a hotel, and try to force them to call off the strike.